What's up everyone, Fluffy from techbeatph.com. Now, we've already talked about the incredible hardware on the Vivo V65 We've covered the Zeiss-powered cameras, the massive battery, and the gorgeous display. But in a world where every phone is starting to look the same, what really sets one apart? The answer is simple: AI. And Vivo is not just playing with AI, they're using it to create digital magic. We live in a tropical country. Our seasons are hot and less hot, but still kinda hot. But what if you could have all four seasons with a touch of a button? With the Vivo V60's AI 4-season portrait feature, that's exactly what you get. You can take any portrait and instantly give it a whole new vibe. Let's take a look at some examples. This is a pretty normal picture, right? Nice light, good composition. But watch what happens when we unleash the AI. This is spring. The AI has understood the scene and replaced the background with a whimsical garden full of cherry blossoms. It's not a cheesy filter, it looks like a whole new location. Imagine taking your date to a park and pretending you went to Japan. No passport required. Next up, summer. The AI turns up the heat literally with a golden sun-drenched palette. This is perfect for those beach photos or just giving your selfies that "I'm on vacation" glow. My personal favorite, autumn. The AI changes the backdrop to a beautiful, crisp autumn scene. The colors are so rich and moody. It's the perfect vibe for those bare months pictures you've been wanting to take. And finally, for all you Filipinos who have always dreamed of a white Christmas, we have winter. I mean, look at that. The AI has added snow, a cool blue tint to the light, and a cinematic feel. It's like something straight out of a movie. This feature is pure genius for creative content. But the AI doesn't stop at changing seasons. It's a full-on creative toolbox. Let's talk about AI Magic Move. Ever taken a picture where the subject is in a great pose, but they're in the wrong spot? Well, with AI Magic Move, you can just tap, drag, and move them to a new spot, and the AI will magically rebuild the background. No Photoshop skills, no fancy apps, just pure digital wizardry. It's a lifesaver for those almost perfect shots. And then there's AI Image Expander. You take a perfect vertical photo for Instagram, but now you need a horizontal one for a blog banner. What do? You hit the AI Image Expander button. It intelligently analyzes your image and expands the borders, creating a wider canvas and filling in the details. It's like the AI is telling you, "I saw that too." And, of course, the classic AI Erase 3. Have you ever had a perfect photo ruined by a random person in the background or a glare from a window? This feature lets you easily circle the object or person and poof, they're gone. It's like you can get rid of your photobomber X with a single tap. And just to show you how much Vivo is leaning into AI, it's not just in the camera. You get AI integration with Google's Circle to Search, which is so convenient for finding out more about something on your screen. The phone also has an AI smart call assistant that can transcribe your calls and give you a summary of the conversation. It's an AI that truly makes your life easier, both creatively and practically. So, to wrap things up, the Vivo V60 isn't just a phone with great cameras and a powerful processor. It's a creative part. The AI 4-season portrait feature, AI Magic Move, and AI Image Expander are not just gimmicks. They are genuinely fun, useful tools that make professional-level editing accessible to everyone. Vivo is showing that the future of smartphones isn't just about having the best specs, but about having the smartest software. It's a bold step forward for a brand that has always pushed the boundaries of mobile photography. So, what do you guys think? Is the AI on the Vivo V65 a game changer for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until then, keep creating